Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this chic nightgown in dress to impress. So who says bedtime cannot be high fashions? In this tutorial, I'm revealing how you can create a chic, elegant nightgown look in DTI that's soft, stunning, and totally runway worthy. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to show you the hack to create this one. So first, what you're going to do is put on this long sleeve fur on the avatar, on the character, and change the color to whichever you like. But on this fur, I'm going to use white color, and for the sleeves, I'm going to use, let's see, okay, this I'm going to go with this yellow color. And now you can put on this tops right here and change the color to be the same with the sleeves. Now lastly, you can put on this dress in here, this long dress, and toggle it into skirt only and change the color the same with the top and also the sleeves. So now you're done. So you'll get this nightgown look that will perfect for your runway. So guys, that's all for me. So it's perfect for style themes like sleepover, summer party, or dreamy and dainty, and this look is a total win. Drop a comment if you're rocking this look, and like this video if you loved the outfit hacks. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the thanks. Bye.